Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. Now, I had to cook up this ground beef because otherwise it would have went bad. I'm going to show you how to change your whole outlook on meatloaf. I'm going to show you how to make my juicy cheese stuffed meatloaf. All right, first thing I've got in here about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I have chopped up 1 green pepper, 1 small onion, and this is bread. Just 2 pieces of bread I just ground up. And you know what I use? The heels of the bread. Nobody eats them anyway. Okay. I've also got 2 eggs, some cheese, of course, and Nina and Shy in my way. Oh, not sponsored. Low sodium meatloaf seasoning. Now, if you don't have meatloaf seasoning, use some onion powder and some garlic powder. About a teaspoon of each, and some black pepper, and seasonal or a low sodium seasoning. Okay. Now, the first things first, I'm gonna grab me. Oh, my spatula. Okay. I know my eggs are good. I'm gonna put in the 2 eggs. Okay. Reason why I'm doing that first, to get the meatloaf wet, to take the other ingredients. All right. We're going to put in our veggies right now. And yes, my hands have already been washed. We're going to take this and we're going to mix all our ingredients up until everything is mixed all together. Okay? How's everybody doing out there? You're going to stir it around until it's like a cake batter. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh. Oh yeah. Get this incorporated really nice. Stir it all around. Now, I'm going to put in my meatloaf seasoning. Okay? Start stirring this around. Now, I'm going to put in the ingredient that nobody would ever think of putting in here. A cup of milk. I'm pouring in a little bit at a time. And I'm going to tell you why in just a minute. I may not even use the whole cup. All right. You want to get this really mixed up so that it has a wet, almost pancake batter consistency, but thicker than that, of course, because it's meatloaf, not meat mush. And trust me, if you're not careful, you'll make mush. Right? Now, at this time, I'm going to put in all the breadcrumbs. Oh, yeah. The reason I didn't add them before is because when you're mixing this and getting it wet, it'll become too viscous, too thick, and you can't hardly stir it. Oh, no. That will not do. Mix it around. Ooh, did I just break my bowl? I sure did. They don't make it like they used to back when I was young, I tell you. Plastic. Plastic. Now, we got everything incorporated. So the last thing to do, now you saw all I did was just mix it together. Season it, mix it together. Now comes the fun part. Pull up your sleeves. Put this over here. Put it into your oven ready dish, just like that. Mold it to the basic shape of your meatloaf. Press, 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 press. Bring the sides in without messing up your hands. Ha ha! That's right. That is right. No, you don't have to grease this pan, because this meat's going to put on enough oil to grease the pan itself. All right? That's right. We're dealing with hamburger meat. Remember that. Now, if you're doing a turkey loaf, I would advise a little pan or something, because it will probably stick. The turkey doesn't have that much oil in it. All right. Ooh, I got so excited. Everybody knows Mama Cherry from Gordon Ramsay's Nightmare Kitchens and all that. She wrote to me she's going to be making my hot sauce soup. Oh, that just made my day. Oh, I'm going to try one of her recipes too. I can't wait. I'm so excited about that. Now look, since you have done this, you see, the meatloaf is basically in the right shape. It's so simple, it's ridiculous. Take your cheese, take a break, put it on top, put it on top, put it on top. Take some more cheese, put it on top, put it on top, put it in the middle, put it on top, put it on top, all over, okay? Let me show you. Now I'm just putting it on top, okay, right? I'm putting it on top. How many times is he gonna say that? Put it on top. I tell you. Ooh-wee. Your boy has a bit of something going on. People say, are you a little bit crazy? I go, a little bit. Now that your cheese is on top, take your utensil and push it down in there. This way, you ain't messing up your hands, right? Push it in there. Just push it on down. I'm going to show you what you do. Push it on down. Push it on down. Push it on down. Oh, yeah. Now, you see how it went down in there like that? And the sides come up. Push your sides back that way just like you did in the beginning. Push them. You still got clean hands. This way, for all my nieces out there, you don't mess up your nails. Because it is heck to get hamburger meat out of your nails. Out from under them. You're going to turn the meat over. Just like this. Turn it over. Turn it over. Turn it over. Turn it on over. Seal it on up on top. Push the sides again, especially the front. It's been elongated. Turn the meat over. Bring it around. Turn that meat right over. And seal it on back up. Now, oh yes, hold on, I want you to see this. I want you to see this because everybody will like this meat loaf. Now I've got my oven preheating at 380 degrees. Hot. That's right. I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil, and I'm going to put it in there anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, because I want to make sure it's baked all the way through. Once it's baked all the way through, you take off the aluminum foil, baste it with a little of the oil that has come out of the meat naturally, put it in there 5 to 10 minutes to let it brown on top, bring it out, make your gravy, and serve. I will be right back to show you the end result. Okay, I put some flour into the drippings and oil, and I'm just cooking out the flour taste, just like you're making a roux. Okay. All right. See? Now I'm gonna repeat my spices. I'll put some onion powder in here. A lot of that. I put a tablespoon in there. I'll put some black pepper to taste. And I'm going to put a whole almost tablespoon of some salt-free seasoning. Okay? I'm going to stir this around just till it gets aromatic. Not aerodynamic, but aromatic. Now, once again, I'm using my secret weapon. Milk. Do not use water in this. I'm putting a whole 2 cups. Because I got so much product in here, okay? Now, it looks lumpy right now, but it won't. Uncle Chris don't make no lumpy gravy now. All right. I'm going to stir this around until it thickens. All right. I'm going to stir this till it thickens. Then I'm going to plate it and let you see how it comes out. Nina, no barking. All right. All right. For the true test. Oh. Just look at that. Cheesy goodness all through. Oh yes, I'm going to make a plate just so I can show you. Now you see how moist that is. That milk and the veggies does the trick. All right. Oh, look at my gravy. Look at that, guys. All done. Steaming with goodness. A simple, tasty meal that also takes meatloaf to the next level. From dry to juicy and delicious. All right. Until next time on Uncle Chris, like, comment, and subscribe. And to all my nieces and nephews, thank you so much for joining me.